Today I present to you a special guest, the amazing Woody Van Eyden, who is here to give you some exclusive insights into the music business. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name's Kirsten and I'm an audiovisual artist under the name Naoki. I've also recently written the book Performing Electronic Music Live, and one of my chapters talks about planning and promoting your live show. It includes a special tutorial by Woody Van Eyden, who's actually here to give you his incredibly useful music industry do's and don'ts. So Woody is an internationally acclaimed music manager, he's a DJ, he's a trance producer, a label owner. He's really done a lot of things in his life. So trust me when I say that he knows what he's talking about. Woody has also recently launched the innovative streaming platform Support Your DJ, where you can watch your favorite DJs perform from the comfort of your own home. Make sure to check it out, I will link it down below in the description. So Woody has not just made one, but a whole bunch of videos for this channel, which absolutely blew my mind. So this is actually part one of a 5-part video series, so make sure to stick around for the other parts that I'm going to upload soon. But without further ado, I'm going to pass over to Woody, who's going to introduce the series and give you his first music industry tip.
Dear viewers, my name is Woody Van Eyden and thank you so much for watching the things that I'm going to tell you about the so-called do and don'ts in our so beloved music industry. You know, if you're maybe now stepping in or you want to step in our industry in the music biz, or maybe you're already a part of it, it's various things can go wrong, and I will try to give you a guideline to make as less mistakes as you can, well, at least the ones that we made, and maybe a few tips for the things you should do, you know. In this video I will show you the most easiest way to skip through more smoothly through the music industry, and one thing you should all really start with is, if you are feeling the inside, the passion to be a producer, an artist, performing artist, wherever you want to go in our industry, you should find a good name, because at the end the name is you. You should combine yourself with that name, and it's not easy these days to find the right name, because you know, if your name is Peter Hamilton, and if you search, you search the internet, do a good research on the name, because Peter Hamilton probably will be gone, the name. Now you can say, yeah, but it's my name and I want to call myself like that. You will have difficulties finding the right YouTube channel, you will find difficulties finding the right Spotify artist, Apple Music. So all you need to do is you have to find a right name and be creative, because creativity is not just hitting the right keys. Creativity and innovations will be, words that will guide you through your whole life of an artist, performing artist, songwriter, anything, you know. So yeah, it starts with a good name, and once you have that good name, you need to block all the socials, that your name is, the same on Twitter and the same on Instagram and the same on TikTok and whatever will come in the future. Once you have that good name, we can start now telling what to do to make that name maybe even a big name. So stay tuned.
Choosing a good name, I think that's a fantastic tip. So this was the first part of Woody's 5-part series about how to make it in the music business. If you enjoyed this first part and you want to see more of this kind of video, please make sure to subscribe and stay tuned for part 2, where Woody is going to talk about some important questions that we need to ask ourselves as artists. Also, if you want to learn more about what electronic artists do on stage, please do make sure to check out my book, which I'll link down below in the description. That's it from us for today. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.